to solve that error? Anyone has got solution? Automatic payment. Automatic payment, did you try? Because I haven't tried. The reason because today my office was holiday and I was office, so I couldn't solve that error. Automatic payment. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll keep that on pending, and today I will tell the next topic to you. Okay, because if you sit on that, it will take lots of time to solve. Correct? So what I'll do, so I will tell the next topic today. So again, once it is solved, then I'll tell you where to go and what to do that. Okay, actually only the last configuration you're getting error. Okay, so fine then. See, the last topic what we're done with the automatic payment program. Last step is not getting executed. There is one error is coming in this one. This everything is done correctly. Only thing I'm getting error under this step. Run automatic payment program in F010. I'm getting error over this step. Okay, so today what we'll do, let us keep this like this and let us start with the next topic today, down payment. Later we can resolve it. Okay, tomorrow I'll try to resolve it. So next topic we start today, that is called as a down payment. Start today. Okay, so let me tell you what exactly is down payment. See, as the name suggests, down payment. Down payment is what basically any kind of amount which you are paying in advance. Okay, so for example, you go to buy any kind of a product like TV, washing machine, something. Correct? That time what you do, you pay advance amount to that particular vendor. Correct? So you pay advance amount to him. If you're customer, he will receive advance, and if he's vendor, he will pay advance. Correct? So that time what will happen, you know, that is called down payment. So in SAP, what you got to do now, you need to create two types of down payment. One is a customer down payment, and is a vendor down payment. Okay. So to start with this configuration, what you should do in SAP now, you need to go and create a two GL account. One is down payment received, another is down payment paid in FS00. So you should go to FS00, and what you should do, you should go and create a down payment received account and down payment paid account in FS00. First configuration. Okay, so let us go to SAP. Let us do it in SAP system. So FS00 directly can type /n FS00. Either way can go by path. It comes under accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, master account, J contribution, FS00 centrally. You can go by the path or you can go directly by T code. Both are same. So what you do, go to FS00, then change your company code first of all. TA 66. Was there no? Yeah, 66. So company code has come. Now what you do here, open the asset. 6 number is the next number comes as 07. Okay, so enter 07. So what you do here now, select assets balance sheet, put here down payment assets received. Ready? Down payment received. Okay, then go to control data. After that, you need to select from whom you receive down payment, from the customers. Correct? From whom you receive the down payment, from the customers. Then go to display short key, and the short key will be here, will be 031. That is called customer number. Yeah,
Excuse me, sir.
Customer. Yeah.
So there was a error.
Nisha.
Sir, there is assets 2 times, no expenditure showing, sir, on my panel, sir.
Achha, that is solid. That is solid later. Okay, first let me finish this one, then I'll tell you that one what to do.
Okay, sir.
That is due to your someone person has deleted that account groups. That is the reason. So let me finish this, then I'll tell you what to do there. So now this one is to control data customer 031. Then here you need to go to field status group, give here G067. That is called reconciliation account. Give here. Okay, give reconciliation account here. Then what you do, you click on save. Okay, sorry, company code I didn't change. Wait. TA66 Acha, I need to create a TA66, right? TA66. I didn't change the company code 07. Now I'll create one second. Assets balance sheet. So down payment, receive, down payment, receive. Go to control data. Select here as a customer, display, sort key 031, and here create bank interest G067. G067, which is called as a reconciliation account. Same, go to liability. 105 number is, and next number is 106. Enter 106. Go here, select your liability, comes under balance sheet. So here comes down payment, received is done, down payment paid will come, paid or a made. Okay, then go to control data again. Here select as a vendor. To whom you pay down payment, to whom you pay to the vendor. So select here vendor. Okay, then display sort key 012. 012 stands for vendor number. Then go to create bank interest, and then what you do, select here field status group G067. Select field status group G067. Select field status G067. Then what you do, click on save. Click on save. Okay. Asset down payment is created. Liability down payment paid is created. So after creating this both the GL accounts, the next configuration what you should do, you need to take it back. Next what you got to do, linking Sunday debtor as a down payment received, Sunday creditor as a down payment made. The next what you should do, you should go and link debtor as a down payment received and a creditor as a down payment made. You should do that. Where do we do this thing? We do that in SPRO, SAP references IMG. So this we do under the financial accounting here. Under that, accounts receivable and accounts payable. Under that, business transaction. Okay. Under that, we go for here down payment received. We go here. Okay. Under that, down payment received. Under that, we go for here define reconciliation account for customer down payment. We go here. Financial accounting, receivable, payable, business transaction, down payment received, and go for define reconciliation account for customer payment. Go here. This is where we create that down payment received account. Go here and see. Here what will happen now? You get here special GL indicator. What is special GL indicator means? Under this only we do reconciliation of account. If you want, you can create your own reconciliation account from here. Okay. Otherwise, what you can do existing one this. The existing one is this one A. A means it is called down payment. This is existing one. So what you do here now? Double click on A. Double click on A and then give chart of accounts. Okay. Double click on A, then give chart of accounts and click on continue. Now see. System is asking you here. Account assignment is asking this. System is asking you here account assignment. What should account assignment should come here now? Here should come sundry debtors. Ready? And special GL account will be, what will be special GL account? It will be down payment receipts. Debtor, we receive customer's debtor, we receive from the customer down payment receipts. Ready? Should link this one. Send debtor to down payment received and click on save. Enter. Send debtor on basis link and save. Same to same like you should do for next another, that is called down payment made. Define alternative reconciliation account for down payment. Alternative means vendor part. Next comes define alternative reconciliation of customer down payment. Go here. Then what you do? Double click on A again. Then double click on A, give chart of accounts and continue. Then here comes next sundry creditors. Next comes here sundry creditors to down payment paid. Paid or made, both are same. Here it is. Okay, this is the special indicator. Under this you are doing reconciliation because in SAP whatever the advance you receive and whatever the advance you pay, okay, you cannot put directly that entry. You should put under a special GL transaction. Okay, so I'll take it as a 102.106, then click on save. Enter. Once you say an enter, system gonna show you changes have been made. Okay. So once this much is done, our configuration part is done. Now what we do, once this much is done, now we'll go for entries. Ready? So first we'll go for customer. 3 entry will getting customer, 3 entry will getting vendor. First I'll go and do for the customer. Okay. So under customer down payment, what I'll do, when the customer makes an advance payment, then we pass an entry. Which entry? This F29. Then what we do? Then we make a bill or invoice once the product is available. Which one? This one. Then we clear down payment F39. So 3 comes here. So first I'll go and do F29 down payment received. First I'll go and do F29 down payment received. So where do we do this one? To do this one, let us go to end user. It is a work of end user actually. It can be done from the end user activity. So what we do? Accounting. No. 745. Document entry and down payment F29. Accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable, document entry, down payment, and that comes here F29 down payment. So this is the way we receive advance payment from the customer. Go to F29, give the date. On which date you are receiving, give the date. And document type will be DZ, company code has come correctly. Here you put down. Okay, which customer it is, selected customer here. Which customer is receiving? See, I have a 2 customer here. I take first one. And see, special GL indicator. What will be special GL indicator? What will be here? It will come a A. A means it is called down payments. Then here, cash or bank. I'll take cash. Amount you are receiving, for example, let us take 20,000. Okay, we'll take 20,000. Same here, down payment received. Okay, same here, down payment received, same here. Then what we do after that? After this, enter. Enter. Amount as a star, text as a plus. And display document overview. Now see, 40 cash account is debited to Ashish Company Limited. He is the customer. So basically we are receiving advance from the customer. Then click on post. Once you post, 214 was coming out 806. Now I want to go and check this one. To go and check it, where we go, FBL fine, we go here. Correct now? FBL fine, go here, give the company code here and select here the customer. Customer, are you checking it? First customer. Then I'm checking all item. All item only today's date. And you should tick this one, special GL transaction, tick this one. If you don't tick this one, then it won't appear, it won't show. Compulsory tick this one, now execute, now see. What is special GL transaction is there? A is there. How much amount I received in advance? 20 I received. It is showing under minus. Why it is showing under minus? The reason because you received advance. Now what we do? Now against that we make a bill or invoice once the product is available. Now for in case once the product is available now we make the invoice against that bill. So what we do for that? We keep the screen like this, open as a screen. Go to the accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable, document entry, FB70. Go here. FB70, company code is, what is the company code? Where is it? TA
66.
66, same, correct. Then select your same customer. Pricing advance, first one, date you take here, and give you the amount of same 20,000. Now see, now once I click on calculate tax. Now once I click on calculate tax, system by default will show me like this. 20,000 INR down payment exists. Means this much payment is there of this much payment is there of a customer. Bye. Let it be. Don't off. I'll off it. So it is showing here 20,000 INR down payment exists of the current asset is there. Okay. Now what you do? Again enter. Give here like this. Being goods 201 says amount star. Here comes my tax code. What is my tax code? Comes here now. 6 is output. Text as a plus. Then stimulate and see. And refresh and check. What is the balance now here? Now if I refresh, the balance will be 0. Why 0? Because you received advance 20. Then you made the invoice of 20, balance became 0. But this is the wrong way to show in the company, the record. This A, what is there? The A should come under clearing. So for this, what we do now, we go and do the down payment clearing. That comes under F39 clearing. So what I'll do here now, I'll go here, I'll go to here. Down payment F39. It has a separate path. So go to F39 clearing. Then what you do, give the date. Put here down payment clearing it. Down payment clearing. Select here the approximate customer. Which customer? First customer I'm clearing. And here also same down payment clearing. Now can you see I have not given any kind of amount here. Can you see I have not given any amount? So how this payment get cleared? Can you guys see any amount I given here? Can you tell me how the payment get cleared then?
20,000 invoice reference.
Exactly. So we have here the invoice reference number 110. See here 110. Against this invoice. Against this invoice, this bomb will be cleared here. Now see, I'll process it. Now once I process it, no, see it is showing number in 16 is a missing for document number for DA document type. What I should do for this? /n OBA7. Go here, position BA. BA document type. Give number anything in between 1 to 6. I'll take 05. I take 05. And another one is K. Let us do with the vendor also. Later again we get an error. So we'll do it now, only changes. Done now. Now once again we'll do it. This customer. Now process down payment. See. Now once I process, you see available amount is 20 and amount is 20. Balance is 0. That means total invoice amount you have generated 20. How much down payment amount you have? 20. Correct? What is the balance total? Nil, 0. That means you are clearing full amount, full payment, full balance clearing. So what we do now? We select this and we'll post it off. Okay. Now go and check it. So once I refresh here now, see. Both A has come here. 20 minus 20 plus. Down payment received, down payment clear. Invoice was done, against invoice down payment was clear. Against invoice down payment was clear. So this is how we do for customer.
Why there are extra steps in this, like
which extra step you're telling me?
Like first payment like received from customer, and then
invoice will be generated. No. So if you receive from the payment from the customer, you directly go and clear. Then where is the invoice? How will you clear the payment? Against the invoice you clear, right? Now you go to the any kind of TV to buy. You go and give him advance payment. Correct? Then if he has not given you the TV and directly tell you payment is cleared, then how you use it quite? No, you ask them, where is my TV? Where is my invoice? Getting no? So that product is called invoice. Ready? So that is why against that we clear it. Got it, Ashish?
First, we make the down payment and then invoice and then clearing it.
First we receive advance down payment. Invoice will be already will be there sometime. See, sometime what will happen? No, now I was not having invoice. So I was not having invoice. That is the reason what I did. I created invoice. If you already have an invoice, now what you can do? You can receive down payment advance. Against that invoice, you can clear the payment. If you already have in a company. Okay. If you already have any kind of advance payment you received from the customer, if you already have an invoice, against that invoice only clear. Again, you don't go and do this one. This step you don't do again. So against that invoice only
Advance
clear.
payment, I think, is a full payment or like advance payment is the half payment.
Full payment or half payment, however you want, you can do. Doesn't matter. Okay, I have cleared full amount here. You can clear 20 in 10 also.
It
If you clear
means that
20,
we haven't delivered the product, but we received the payment in advance.
exactly.
Okay.
Payment advance means we haven't booked the invoice, but we received the amount.
Okay.
Right? The same to same. The same to same how we do for customers, same to same we should do for vendor. Vendor, what we do? We pay advance amount to the vendor, then we pass an entry. Once the product is available, we need to book invoice, then we clear the down payment. That comes under here. So I'll go to F48 and I will go and do the entry. So where it comes in SAP, take this back, accounts payable, document entry, down payment F48. So go to F48 down payment here. So go here and give the due. Now we are paying advance. We put a down payment paid or made. You can type. Which vendor? I'll select the approximate vendor. I'll take first vendor. And the special GL transaction will be A for down payment. How much I'll receive by cash or bank? I'll take by cash. 20,000 I'm paying. I'm paying 20,000 down payment paid. So 20,000 is a payment I'm doing advance to the vendor. This is document overview. I'll save it. Now refresh and check. Where we check it? We check it under FBL1N. Okay. All item and take the special GL transaction. Today's date. This company code which vendor? First vendor. Select the vendor company code. All item. Today's date. Special transaction. Or take this one. Execute. So now see 20,000 is a down payment paid. A is there here. Now what we do again is that we go and book the invoice. If you already have existing invoice, then what you do, you clear that against that only, this payment. Okay, now what I'll do, I don't have, so I'll go and create an invoice under FB60. Correct. Then select here the same vendor. First one, date, amount, calculate tax here. System will tell you 20,000 down payment exists on current assets. It is already available. Correct. System is telling you that you already have a payment amount with you, which you already paid to the vendor. Now here comes my TSS input tax code. What is my input tax code? 16 is T6 is my input. Input is T6, text as a plus. Stimulate and post. When I go and check the entry, balance will be 0. Now we cannot keep it like this. This is an advance payment entry. In a company, you cannot show this one. A means it is you have done this one special transaction. By yourself, you created this reconciliation account. Correct, but you cannot show it like this. You need to go and clear the payment. So for that, we go to F54 down payment clearing. It comes under F54 down payment clearing. Go here, give the date, and put here down payment clearing, and select here the account, means which particular first vendor, and down payment clearing here same will come. Again is the 419. See, 419, 419. Then process. So once you process, payment is blocked by. Achha, I think I already opened it. Account 31 is blocked for payment run 23/28/06. I think I'm getting lock entry. Wait. 419 is here. Okay. What is this? 21. What is 21? What is 21? Wait, blocked means I got maybe lock entries. What did lock entries? Is doing this one. Locked basically comes when we have any kind of lock entries. Huh? 21/3/2023. I have the payment or what earlier payment for this vendor. $419. Correct is there. 419. अच्छा document type KZ test come. This is a document paid advance. Advance paid. Then I generated invoice today. Acha, this one 310 should come. Sorry. 310 should come. See here. Are you getting it? What I should do? I'm taking the payment document number. I'm taking this. This is a payment document number. It should be this invoice. KR is invoice 310. See. I should take invoice document number. Now process. Now it will come. Now process it. I should do once again. I should take back and do once again. Is that 310? Now it will come. Process. See, now it will come. Is blocked by the payment run 21/3. Error document type 310. What is this new error again? Maybe wait, I have done something in change in vendor. Okay. It is free for payment. Free for payment is there. It is free for payment. But why it is coming blocked again? Zero. Payment run 21/3/2023 of this, sir. I'll delete it. Wait, first of all. Yesterday it was not coming. No, that is the maybe reason. I'll remove this one. I'll do once again. Yeah, it is due to that automatic payment. Ready? Your automatic payment now, those all that vendor was selected there. So now it has removed, now it has come here. 2020, total amount is 20 available, 20 amount is about to pay. Now select it and post it. Directly also you can post, but it won't save, I guess. So let me just try. It won't save. System is telling me select the line item first of all. So select it, then post. And check. Ready? So this is how we do this down payment configuration. Now convert this into Excel sheet. Go to export and a spreadsheet format and Excel format. Say it on desktop. Give the file name as a give as a down payment for vendors. Date 2/03/2023. On desktop, I will save it and I will allow it. Yes. Yes, got it. Someone has a doubt? Anyone? Nisha, yes,
Got it, sir.
got it. How about everyone? Everyone has got it. Ashish and Hafsa, Salma,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it.
Ajay, clear? So this is how until here you should practice this in your SAP system. Okay. So then tomorrow I will start with the withholding tax computation start tomorrow. I'll tell you this tomorrow how to do the TDS calculation. Okay. So let us come to your error now. You are getting some error you were telling. So let us try to fix that. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Uh, One second. I'll log into your server. What is your company code, Nisha?
456. 456.
Check. You got two assets. Assets.
Yes.
Why two assets? So what you do see here? Right click and change and select here another one-time expenditure and save. Sales tax code foreign not defined for category. Okay, wait. Let me first change the tax configuration. The server is like many are doing changes regularly.
Yes, sir. This is the problem.
Right click, change, select an expenditure and save. And double click, select an expenditure and save. Double click, select expenditure and save. Double click here, select an expenditure and save. Double click, select expenditure and save. Now take back and check once again. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
You should right click and change account group, select expenditure here and save. Now everything is correct?
Yes.
Yes, done. Simple, very simple. Right click and change and select an expenditure. Then save, it will save. Got it, Nisha? Clear your doubt?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yes, any other doubts? Anyone? Ajay, Ashish, Hafsa, Salma, you guys clear?
Can you show me that FS00 accounts, GL accounts, where I want to ask that why we have made this down payment and other thing in asset and liabilities.
Asset liability because see, down payment received falls under the asset. Correct? We receive from the customer advance. Correct? And the paid will be done to the vendor. It is just like send debtor and send credit, send debtor and send debtors and creditors. It is just like that. Ready? Debtor is nothing but a customer. We receive from the customer down payment. Creditor is nothing but a vendor. It belongs to down payment paid to the vendor. It is common received and paid accounting rule. So received falls under the received from the customer, paid falls under the paid to the vendor. What is still getting confused or we got it? Little bit you try to Google and I'll share you some documents also. There you have that, but that is common accounting knowledge where you can apply. Okay, received we do from the customer. Okay, paid we do to the vendor. Simple. And that is why down payment received, down payment paid.
Okay.
That is why we create under asset and liability side. Fine. So okay, then fine guys. Then practice until here. See you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll take it at the same timing class. So tomorrow I'll tell you. Tomorrow I'll take it as 8 o'clock only. Not saying 8 o'clock I'll tomorrow. So tomorrow, as usual timing I'll take. I'll tell you tomorrow TDS topic withholding tax. So practice until here. Then until that, see you guys tomorrow. Everyone, thank you. Bye bye. See you. Bye bye. Have a good day. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.